Today we're drawing a Puppy Popsicle. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with the first eye. Draw a nice round circle. Then add 2 small circles inside for the highlights. Now fill in the rest of the eye and leave those 2 highlight spots clean and bright. Okay, now draw the other eye the same way. Keep it round, cute, and close in size so both eyes match nicely. Okay, add 2 tiny curved eyebrows above the eyes, keeping them soft and cute. Draw a small oval nose right between the eyes. Okay, finish the mouth with 2 little smile curves and a tiny tongue in the middle. Okay, add 2 small oval cheeks under the eyes. Then draw 2 short lines on each cheek for an extra cute touch. Now let's draw the first front paw. Make it nice and round. Then add a small curved line at the bottom for the paw detail. Next, draw the other front paw the same way, and keep both paws even and cute. Okay, once both little paws are in place, the puppy face starts looking even sweeter. Okay, let's start with the first floppy ear. Draw a long, smooth line up. Round it over at the top, and bring it down in a soft curve. Now shape the lower part of that ear with 2 small droopy bumps, so it feels soft and floppy. Once that ear looks nice, draw the other ear the same way on the other side. Keep it long, rounded, and gently hanging down. Take your time here and try to keep both ears balanced, because those big floppy ears really give this little popsicle its puppy charm. And once both ears are in, the whole face starts looking extra cute right away. Okay, now connect the ears with 1 big smooth curve across the top to shape the head. Keep the curve round and gentle, like the top of a cute little popsicle. Okay, now draw the body. Start under the first ear and pull a long, soft line down, curving it gently near the bottom. Then do the same under the other ear, keeping the body wide, rounded, and popsicle shaped. Okay, add 2 tiny feet at the bottom. Draw 1 small rounded leg, then repeat the same shape for the other one. Then connect the 2 feet with a short straight line to close the bottom of the body. Okay, let's add the melty icing line across the body. Start at one edge and draw a wavy line all the way across. Let the line dip down in a few spots to make those soft, drippy shapes. Then bring it back up as you go. Now add a little paw print on the lower part of the body. Draw the big center pad first, then add 4 small toe pads above it. Take your time with these details because they really make the popsicle look extra sweet and playful. Okay, let's start adding the little sprinkles on the first ear. Draw a few small oval shapes and short rounded dashes and spread them out nicely. Now do the same on the other ear. Keep the shapes simple and place them a little randomly so they feel natural. Once both ears are done, add more sprinkles across the top of the head. Use the same tiny shapes and space them out across the curve. You don't need to overthink this part. Just keep the sprinkles light, cute, and evenly scattered. And there we go. Those tiny details make the whole Popsicle look extra sweet already. Okay, now draw the popsicle stick right under the body. Keep it centered, long, and rounded at the bottom. Then add a few soft vertical lines inside the stick to give it that simple wooden texture. And there we go! Your cute little Puppy Popsicle is all finished. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!